good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 10. This is the eyebrow video. This is going to be my eyebrow routine. I let my eyebrows grow out. I do my eyebrows from start to finish myself. I don't go get them waxed. I tweeze them myself. And you're going to see how I do that. And I fill them in with powder. I don't use pomade. I've never used pomade. I've never used anything but powder, eyeshadow to be specific. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video. But my eyebrows, you let me know. I ain't gonna talk about my eyebrows. You just let me know how my eyebrows come out. And we're gonna go from here. Cool and cool. And I'm going to be recording my giveaway video, and I'm going to be explaining what I'm giving away, how to enter the giveaway, and when I'm going to announce the giveaway winner. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming up. And yeah, so here we go. So I'm going to start out with brushing out my eyebrows, making sure the hair is where I need it to be. And the tweezers I'm using is eyebrow extension tweezers, and I just like those better. I can get in there when I need to get in there. So I like to start in the middle of where my arch is supposed to be, because that's where the hair grows the most, and I feel like I have more control. So I like to start from the bottom and work my way up to get the hair all the way off, to get a clear path. And then I either go left or right. It just depends on how I feel at the moment. But I just follow the little guideline that I made. And the easiest way is to make that path so you can clearly see where you want that line. And it's so easy to follow after that. And I like to make sure that I clearly see the hair that I'm grabbing before I pull, because you do not want to accidentally grab a hair and pull out that you didn't mean to, because it could majorly mess up your plan, your guideline, or whatever. And like I said, I've been doing this for years. Maybe I've been doing this since 2013, so the pain doesn't really faze me at this point. But if you do decide to do this, it helps to hold your skin back, and it like weakens the pain. And another thing I realized from doing this, if it gets to a point where the tweezers aren't pulling hair, try wiping the tweezers off, because sometimes I don't know what it is, but yeah, just try wiping them off. And you see the hairs at that spot were very fine, so I just went ahead and used my razor to get those little few hairs off, because I couldn't grab them and I wasn't gonna waste my time trying. And for the top, I like to carve out a little barrier to where I just want to cut all the hair off. So I'm making a line, or making a little guideline so I don't go over that. And I just like to shave down the top of my eyebrows, because it's just a lot of hair, a lot of fine hair. So I carefully just shave these down, making sure not to cut off the parts I want to keep, of course. And my edge hair always connects to my eyebrow, so I make sure I just cut off all of that. extraness. And there we go, baby. My beautiful eyebrows. Post fill-in. And right here, I'm just shaving the middle, my unibrow off. So here, that eyebrow is filled in, and I'm going to show you how I fill it in on the eyebrow on the right. That was my eyeshadow that I'm using, that I've been using. It's Smashbox. And it's a dark brown. My eyebrows are black, but I use a dark brown eyeshadow. And I start at the bottom and work my way up. And I leave the front out until I make sure I get majority of the powder off. And then I'll work my way back to the front here and there. But I do not like the front of my eyebrows dark. I like the faded look. So I just keep going until they're dark enough, and then I take my concealer, my Pro Concealer, and start at the bottom with a small concealer brush. I work in small little sections. I start in the middle, go down, then I go back to the front. Then I'll drag the extra product down and sort of blend it down. Then I do the top. I put a little bit here and there. Then I drag it around. You already know. Clean those lines up. And then I blend out the top one as well. And then I take a brush and blend and buff out the concealer. And there you have it. I'm all done. Look at that. Do you see where I came from, baby? My footage got messed up, so I had to re-record. So you only see me do one eye. But there we go. What you think? This will last all day, all night. Sweat, storm, rain, sleep, all of it. Yeah, so that is it for this. I hope I gave you the tools to wear. Your eyebrows can be lit just like mine. Or I'll let you guys decide how lit my eyebrows are. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And look out for my next video.